once the kids are sorted with breakfast, I like to take a moment with a strong cup of tea to go over my messages and answer any comments, and then I'll look over my bullet journal to see what I have on for the day ahead, and then it's time to get going. Yep.
I went to gym.
And she's got gym today. She's going to circuit. And circuit. What do you think? 10 out of 10. You look beautiful.
Mom, look here.
What are you doing?
Take my tongue out.
What's my tea?
Well, we need our butterfly back.
Let's go back to the back.
I know. Let's go.
Right, everybody happy?
Yeah.
Good. Yes, so can you wear your purple shoes as your indoor shoes?
Yeah.
I just finished our morning run, jog / walk with Rhiannon and my friend this morning. So we're doing the Jog Scotland programme. So we're on week 1 and that was my 3rd run of the week. So we did run for 30 seconds, walk for 1.5 minutes, and we did 2.9 kilometres and we did 28 minutes. So yeah, that's quite good for us since we are beginners. So I'm really looking forward to getting out again next week, but I think that's me for this week. We might do another one Saturday, we'll see. But for now I'm going to head home, get showered, and then I'll be back down to pick up Elle from nursery. I've got Elle and we are at Asda. We're just a way to go in and do some shopping. But first, what are we going to do first? What are we going to do first, Elle?
Go to coffee.
Go to a cafe. We're going to go to the cafe and get some lunch, aren't we? We're going to get a little bit of lunch. I'm going to get a coffee and then we're going to head into the shops and pick up a few bits and pieces. It's just a top-up shop. We need like milk and fruit and maybe some bread, things like that. And yeah, that's it. And then we're going to head home. So ready to go and get something to eat, Elle? How's your sandwich, Elle? Thumbs up? What's on your water? An emoji? Is it a laughing emoji? Home from our shopping trip. I ended up spending way more than I meant to. I didn't buy too many items, but the items that I did buy were really expensive items. I got loads of toiletries, and what else did I get? I got a duvet because we needed a new duvet and things like that that costed a lot. A new roasting tin because I was going to be cooking something for dinner this week and I needed a roasting tin and realised I didn't have one. So yeah, I picked up a roasting tin. I also got some new baking trays because my old ones are starting to like the non-stick coatings like flaking off, so I need to get rid of those. And yeah, that's what happens on a shopping trip. So I need to go and empty the dishwasher, refill it, and then I have about 3 loads of laundry that I need to put away. So that's going to be my afternoon, and then I need to start thinking about dinner. We are done. Elle's pile, Caitlin's pile, Andrew's pile, mine are all away. Dish towels, face cloths, cleaning cloths, bath towels. Elle's just asked for a smoothie for her afternoon snack, so I'm about to mix it up and look how pretty it looks. I've got in some strawberries, raspberries, pineapple, some water, banana and spinach. So that is going to be a snack for us both while I do my busy jobs and Elle plays. That's good. I'm just making dinner now. Excuse the noise. I've got the extractor fan going and also this pot's boiling, but I'm making some red cabbage. I made a right mess around here, but never mind. I'm making red cabbage, which I love. But the first time I cooked it, after I cooked it, when I put it on the plate, it turned blue, and I couldn't understand why. And I googled it, and it turns out that when you cook your cabbage, you're supposed to cook it with a little bit of white vinegar, and it stops it from turning blue. It keeps the bright purple colour. So that's what I do from now on. I put a little bit of vinegar and some salt in the pan when I'm cooking it. Sorry, I keep looking down because I'm stirring it. And yeah, it makes it keep its colour. So if you've tried cooking red cabbage and it goes blue, that's what to do. And if you've never had red cabbage and you want to make sure you know to put the vinegar in, or it'll go blue. It still tasted okay actually, just tasted the same, but blue.
Can I show my dog?
Show the kids your dog, yeah?
So kids, so kids, I don't do it.
Wow.
My dog's called Jojo's dog.
Yeah.
He's 3 or he's 3.
3 years old. Tell us about, oh goodness, cover your mouth please. Tell us about your sticker.
I got for listening.
For listening?
Yeah.
Where did you listen?
And my dog got a bag with
And your dog got a bag with it.
And kids, it's 6.
Kids.
Like 6.
Wow.
And then after we went out, you can just take it out.
Cool. Right, is it okay if I go and check on the dinner again?
No.
No, okay. Why don't we tidy up, because it's nearly time for Dad to come home and then we're going to have dinner. So let's tidy up some of the toys before dinner time, yeah?
Mom, we cannot tidy up. No.
We won't tidy up your dog, but let's tidy up the other toys, okay? And cover your mouth when you're coughing.